Hello guys, it's me, Obina Matarocha. I'm here to before we start this video, I need to tell you that I need you to help me. What is the name of the sound effect? I've been looking this sound effect. What is the name of this? But but it took me like a while. I didn't figure out the name. So I need your help. Before we start, I'm going to play music so you can hear this. You can hear the sound effect, and then if you know this, then what if y'all know about the name of the sound effect, please put out the comments, okay? I'm going to start, okay?
I bet this is gonna take a long time. Okay, come on. Whoa! What the? I finally got a cupcake after all this time. What the?
Okay, guys. So if you heard if you heard the sound effect, if y'all know the name of sound effect, please put on the comments, okay? That's it, and I will make the next video, okay? See you on the next video. Bye, y'all, and make sure you put on the comment about if y'all heard this. If y'all heard the name of the sound effect, okay? Please, I really need, okay? Bye, y'all, and have an amazing day. Bye, y'all.